Good day, sir. Good day, everyone. My name is Raylan M. Eating from BSC3 Bravo. What is the civil and political rights? These rights are your basic freedoms and rights as a citizen. They protect you from unfair treatment by the government and allow you to participate in the political process, like voting and expressing your opinions. They're like a set of rules that ensure everyone is treated fairly and has a voice in society. What is civil rights? Civil rights are your protections against unfair treatment based on who you are, like your race, religion, or gender. They ensure everyone is treated equally under the law. And what is political rights? Political rights give you a say in how your society is run. This includes voting, running for office, and speaking out about your views. They allow you to participate in government and make your voice heard. Rights of person under custodial investigation. In Miranda rights, we have the rights to remain silent. You have the absolute rights to refuse answer in any questions. This means you don't have to say anything that could be used against you in court. Right to an attorney. You have the right to have a lawyer present during questioning. If you cannot afford a lawyer, one will be appointed to you. Understanding of rights. The police must explain these rights clearly and ensure you understand them before questioning begins. Custodial investigation. These rights apply when you are in custody, meaning you are not free to leave. This could be at a police stations, in a patrol car, or even at your own home. Waiver of rights. You can waive these rights, but you must do so knowingly, intelligently, and voluntarily. This means you must understand what you are giving up before you waive your rights. What is Miranda rights? Or what is Miranda doctrine? The Miranda doctrine is a legal rule in the United States that requires law enforcement officers to inform suspects of their Fifth Amendment rights before questioning them during a custodial interrogation. It's basically a set of warnings that police officers must give to people who are in custody. Here what the Miranda warnings are. You have the rights to remain silent. This means you don't have to talk to police and answer their questions. Anything you say will be used against you in court of law. Your words can be used as evidence against you. You have the rights to an attorney present during questioning. You can have a lawyer there to help you understand rights and to represent you. If you cannot afford an attorney, one will be appointed to you by the court. If you can't pay for a lawyer, the court will assign one to you for free. These rights are outlined in the Supreme Court case Miranda versus Arizona in 1966. This case established the requirements for officers to inform suspects of these rights before questioning them in custody. What is the Miranda Doctrine's importance? The Miranda Doctrine protects people's Fifth Amendment rights against self-incriminations. It prevents police from coercing suspects into confusing to crimes without understanding their rights. It ensures that suspects are aware of their legal options and have the chance to exercise their rights. Consequences of failing to give Miranda warnings. If police fail to properly give Miranda warnings, any statements or confessions obtained from a suspect may be deemed admissible in a court. This means that the evidence can be used against the suspects in court, which can have a significant impact on the outcome of a case. Remember, if you are ever arrested or questioned by law enforcement, you have the right to remain silent and to request an attorney Exercise your rights and be aware of your legal protections.